The Food Media Network presents Kitchen Lingo, the 5-second culinary vocab learning challenge. Common culinary terms range from various ways to serve and prepare food and beverages, to kitchen items and equipment, to the names of the dishes themselves. Cooking definitions can also come from languages other than English, such as French and Italian, which can sometimes be challenging to understand. However, learning as many kitchen terms and culinary vocabulary as you can helps provide a fundamental knowledge for any food and beverage professional or enthusiast. Do you know what today's word means in the culinary world? Well, you will have 5 seconds before the answer is revealed. But if you need more time, you can always hit pause. Today's word is render, spelt R-E-N-D-E-R, render.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
According to the Food Lover's Companion, render means to melt animal fat over low heat so that it separates from any connective pieces of tissue, which, during rendering, turn brown and crisp and are generally referred to as cracklings. The resulting clear fat from the rendering is then strained through a paper filter or fine cheesecloth to remove any residue. Okay, if you knew what the word meant, good job. If you didn't know, well, you do now, and the word has been added to your Kitchen Lingo word inventory. Thank you for playing, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. It's free, so that way you'll be notified when the next Kitchen Lingo Culinary Vocab Learning Challenge is available.